Hello everyone. Now we are going to today we are going to discuss about the Indian polity related MCQs. Okay. So these MCQs are basically like question number 1. Which of the following is correct in respect of the commencement of the election process of India? So commencement of the election process of India. Election process of India. Okay. So the election process, the A is recommendation for election is made by government and the notification for election is issued by the election commission. So this one is actually correct. Election commission gives the notification for the election and election is issued by the election commission. ओके सो आगे बढ़ने की इसमें ज़रूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी. सो इलेक्शन कमीशन डिसाइड द शेड्यूल ऑफ द इलेक्शन ऑफ द पार्लियामेंट एंड स्टेट लेजिस्लेचर टू टेकिंग इनटू अकाउंट रिकमेंडेशन बाय द आर्टिकल. यहाँ पर आर्टिकल 324 ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. इलेक्शन कमीशन shall have the power or superintendent direction and control all of the election of the parliament and the state government, the office of the president and the vice president. So office of the president, vice president and all the elections of the India is conducted with the election commission. Okay, so this was the question number 1 we discussed. Now question number 2 is, which of the following extra constitutional and extra legal device for securing cooperation and coordination between the state in India? So first is the NDC, National Development Council. So National Development Council is the extra constitutional, yes. Second is the governance conference. So governors conferences and this is also the extra constitutional. Third is zonal council. So zonal council is a statutory. Okay, this is a statutory, so this is not true. The interstate council and interstate council, and this is interstate council is under the article 23 of the constitution, so this is also not included in that. Okay, so this is we discussed this question and it was asking about the extra constitutional and extra legal bodies. So two were added in that, and first one was the governance conference, second one was NDC. NDC was established in the 1952 by the resolution of the government of India, and it is an open body for the decision making and decentralization of the development matter of the India. And the governor council, it is also a extra constitutional body. So governance council is also extra constitutional body, and apart from this extra constitutional body, article 263 which is interstate councils, and zonal council, that is statutory body, and as they are established by the State Reorganization Act. So zonal council was established by the State Reorganization Act 1956, passed by the parliament. Okay, now next question, which of the following matter on which a constitutional amendment is possible only with the ratification of legislation of not less than one half of the state? अभी कह रहे हैं कि कोई भी अमेंडमेंट है, जैसे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट है. ओके, सो इन दिस अमेंडमेंट वन हाफ ऑफ द स्टेट्स, तो इनकी भी क्या चाहिए, हमें सहमति चाहिए. सो ओनली विद द रेटिफिकेशन ऑफ द वन हाफ ऑफ द स्टेट, नॉट लेस देन वन हाफ ऑफ द स्टेट. तो जब भी ऐसा क्वेश्चन आएगा तो फर्स्ट इसमें ऑप्शन है इलेक्शन ऑफ द प्रेसिडेंट. सो दैट इज़ ट्रू एक्चुअली, इलेक्शन ऑफ द प्रेसिडेंट. ओके, और इलेक्शन ऑफ द प्रेसिडेंट जब भी होगा, so that is with the one half. Second one is representation of the state in parliament, that is also true. Third is any of the list of the 7 schedule. So 7 schedule की जो list है, that is also true. And fourth is the abolition of legislative council. So this abolition of the legislative council in the state, that is we don't require any half state ratification. So in election of the president, amendment is any of the list of the 7 schedule and representation of the state in the parliament are provision in article 368. Okay, so they require ratification legislation of not less than half of the state for the constitutional amendment. All right, but under Article 169, Parliament through law can create and abolish the legislation council of the state if the legislative assembly of the state passes a resolution to that effect by the special majority. It does not require the ratification by other state, and it is also not deemed an amendment under Article 368. Hence, this is correct. Okay, so this one is correct one. Now we are going to discuss the more questions. Before that, I am uploading this video.